Today morning the session went on. Have you all attended today's morning orientation program?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So nice. So hope all are healthy and good enough in your home. You're staying safe. So
Yes.
myself, Dr. Meena, Associate Professor, Head Department of Interior Design and Decor. Girls, you all can kindly mute yourself but switch on the video, okay? So that distractions will not be there. Okay. Okay, this college, Sri Kanyaka Parameshwari College, welcomes you all. Do you know when this college started?
No, ma'am.
1999.
Very good. So 1999, this college started. So many years we are running here in the same place. And our department started on incepted 2003 for UG. And we also have PG course. 2013 we started our PG course. So same name under the Home Science Department, Interior Design and Decor. So you all are interested in joining this course?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
well, good. So this is really an interesting course. You all can apply your own creativity and enjoy yourself in this field. That is very, very important thing. Now I'd like to share one PowerPoint which shows history of our college as well as history of our department and who are all works under this department, everything. Is the screen visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Foremost, I welcome you all for this orientation program.
Meena, the screen is white.
Now the PowerPoint is visible. Is this visible, ma?
Yes, it is white.
It's white screen, ma'am.
One second, I will check. Now is this
It will.
visible?
Now it's.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So here comes our college interior design orientation program starts today for you. This is our entire college campus outside view. You will be seeing this in prospectus and websites and so many things. And here the management committee belongs to Sri Kanyaka Parameshwari temple and they are the leading people here. So Dharmagata sir is there, temple Dharmagata, and Sri Gugilam Ramesh sir is our college correspondent. Our principal ma'am, she only spoke to you all today morning. Her important and foremost aim and objective of the charities that is our college management committee involved in this charities is to give equal education, excellent coaching in not only curricular aspect, also extracurricular and co-curricular activities. So we will be arranging lot of competitions and make you to participate. Only thing you have to cooperate yourself and participate and develop your skills and knowledge. And this is myself. I'm very proud to say that our only department have only PG course in our college. There is no other courses started overall Chennai under University of Madras. So we have PG, Interior Design and Decor course to continue your further studies. Research works will be carried over, and here we are the staffs going to handle you for this 3 years. After completing this 3 years, we will make you to place in reputed firms. So next to me is Miss P.S. Kavita ma'am. She is your class in charge ma'am. Any difficulties you face, kindly call her or message her. Give, that is, communication is very important. Without communication, we can't able to think what will be happening to you. If you are communicating only, we can able to understand your difficulties. Next, ma'am is Miss Nirmala Foster. She'll be handling for your second year, third year classes. And this year, first year, Ms. Amuda ma'am will handle classes for principles of interior design. And Ms. K. Aisha Banu ma'am, she is an architect. She is going to teach you all related to life space planning and commercial place planning, furniture design planning in sketching as well as in CAD through software. And next is Miss K.M. Saroj ma'am. She is very specialized in visual arts. She'll be handling you for this first year class. General instructions, as ma'am told, principal ma'am told, this year we follow Arogyam Mahabhagyam. Every year we used to have one theme. Last year and all eco-friendly, like that, so many themes for so far, yearly ones we used to have. What we are going to do with that theme means implementing related activities to this Arogyam Mahabhagyam. So online counseling offered for students by psychology department. If you have any problems personally, you can share your thoughts and whatever the difficulties you are facing in family as well as in colleges, you can share this to psychology department staffs. Counseling people are there. They will not reveal anything about your issues, but they will give you real remedy for you to handle, how to handle that. And during this pandemic period, we organize lot of webinar, e-quiz, skill development program, workshop, certificate courses, faculty development program, guest lecture, competition contest we arranged, YouTube videos we published, so in social media. And very proud to say that top 10 university rank holders always will be from our college. From the inception, first top 10, our college students will bag that rank. Okay, now let us go for this interior design department. What we have, course highlights and all. Course highlights, subjects, learning outcome. After this 3 years, what you will be learning. And infrastructure, scope and opportunities. Then course highlights. Our subject prospectus you might be seen, and in our college website syllabus has been updated. You all can watch our syllabus through that website in department link. We used to organize all our department related workshops, seminar, regular practical sessions, creative approach, internet access, fully equipped labs we have, quality teaching will be there, guest lectures from resource person always will be there for you. And subjects offered, again you can go through from the syllabus. These are the subjects on the whole. Okay. Now, after learning this, learning outcome, first step, you should have an idea about what you are doing. So you will be having an ideate, then that idea has to be seen in sketch. Then after that sketch means you can plan yourself for doing that. Then client approval must be there. Whatever the plan, house plan you are drawing, that client has to be approved. That much of requirement has to be fulfilled in that plan, and that has to be digitalized. Now everything is digitalized. Here are some model for sketch and plan. See this views of building. and 2D rendering of plan. These are all you will be learning through workshops as well as MOU. We have MOU. MOU is nothing but we have tie up with industrialist. So from CAD centers, industrialist will be teaching you how to render this plan. So you will be joining there for MOU classes, that is certificate classes. It will be going on for 30 hours or more. So these are the plans, 3D view plans you will be doing in AutoCAD itself. Okay, let's learn how to show interior spaces in perspective views. This is the perspective view, 1 point perspective. You will be drawing in the chart paper. How to draw we will teach. 2 point perspectives, 3 point perspective. Then we have 4 lab, specifically drafting lab, CAD lab, textile lab and interior design lab, where you can able to come and visit practically. A model has been created in our interior design lab. And we have library. All the required notes you can take from the library books. System is there, you can access that systems. These are the classrooms. Smart room we have. Any guest lectures we will arrange smart room. And this is your classroom. If you are coming here directly, you will be really enjoying. And competitions, various competitions we used to organize. Inter-department competitions and intra-department competitions will be organized. International seminar and national seminars with the exhibition we organized. We arrange lot of cultural activities. We have special placement consortium where your placement can be done here. Registration will be done for 3rd years and the 3rd years will be trained. Not only we give interview. So placement சொன்னாலே interview வச்சு recruit பண்ணுவாங்க. அது மட்டும் கிடையாது. TCSலேருந்தோ இல்லை இந்த HDFC bank இவங்க எல்லாருமே வந்து first training கொடுக்குறாங்க for your communication development. ஸோ இந்த கம்யூனிகேஷன் நீங்கள் நல்லா டெவலப் பண்ணிக்கிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா எப்படி ஒரு கிளையண்ட்டை நீங்கள் பேசி மார்க்கெட்டிங்கில் யூ கேன் ஏபிள் டு அடாப்ட் தட் யூ கேன் ஏபிள் டு சி. And scope and opportunities, various field we have work as interior designer, art, craft and painting enterprise, architect, consultant and construction firm, tiles and manufacturing companies are available. Apart from this, further studies நீங்கள் MSc படிச்சீங்கன்னா 2 years கோர்ஸ் அது. MSc முடிச்சிங்கன்னா அசிஸ்டன்ட் ப்ரொஃபஸராக ஜாபுக்கு போகலாம். நிறைய உங்களுடைய சீனியர்ஸ், சூப்பர் சீனியர்ஸ் இப்போ நிறைய காலேஜஸில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க அசிஸ்டன்ட் ப்ரொஃபஸராக. தென் க்ளோதிங் டிசைனர், வால் ஆர்டிஸ்ட், ஃப்ரீலான்சராக என்ன வேணால் நீங்கள் பண்ணலாம். ஸ்மால் ஸ்கேல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் யூ கேன் என்டர்பிரைஸ் யூ கேன் ஸ்டார்ட். entrepreneurship development 3rd yearல ஒரு பேப்பரே இருக்கு. So how to start an enterprise. We have IIC cell. அந்த IIC செல்ல எப்படி ஒரு யூத் ஆண்டர்பிரினர்ஷிப் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி பிஸ்னஸ் ரன் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு 2nd and 3rd இயர்ஸில் நீங்கள் காலேஜில் இருக்கும்போதே ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் அப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எல்லா ஐடியாஸும் கொடுப்பாங்க. வெபினார்ஸ் ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. அவுட் சைட் ரிசோர்ஸ் பர்சன் கூட. உங்களுடைய வேலை என்னென்னா நீங்கள் அந்த வெபினார் அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதில் ஸ்கில் என்ன வளர்த்துக்க முடியும்னு ஸ்கில்லை நீங்கள் டெவலப் பண்ணிவிட்டு யூ ஹாவ் டு இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட். ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் வென்ச்சர் கேபிட்டலிஸ்டில் உங்களுக்கு நிறைய ஃபண்டும் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறோம். ஸோ 2nd and 3rd year you can do the business. After 3rd year completing you can go outside and do the business. So these all about our college department. So hereafter your regular classes will be there. Tomorrow entire day for your communication. English department HOD ma'am will be speaking about what is required, what is communication and all. Attend all the classes without fail. Interact yourself. Okay. Anything else you want to share? Each girl can tell your name and show your faces so that we'll be happy to see you all virtually.
yourself. Kindly introduce yourself, ma. Introduce yourself. From which school you're from, and what is your second language? Everything you can introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Sherihana Gautam.
Yes, yes, Rehana, you can start up, ma.
You can tell about your school, where you have done, and which area you belong to, from where you are going to come.
Ma'am, my name is Dhanmatini. I studied in St. Thomas Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I'm from Saukapet.
Good, welcome,
Ma'am, I'm
Dhanmatini. Yes, ma'am. Next person.
I'm Kritika, ma'am. I'm studied in Vidyaratna Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I'm from Greenways Road, Adayar.
Next person.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Anamika Mishra. I'm studied in Ganeshi Bai School. I'm from Voltax Road.
Welcome, welcome.
Namaste, ma'am. I'm Shiksha Nandini from Avadi. I'm studying in Vivekananda School in Avadi, ma'am.
Good
Welcome.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am. Myself, I'm Harita Sri, and I studied in Manila Lemmetha Girls Higher Secondary School, and I'm from Saukapet.
Welcome, ma. Welcome.
Thank
Good
you, ma'am.
morning, ma'am. My name
Good
is
morning.
Dimple. I came from Ganeshibai and I'm in Krishna Patang.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Hina and I'm studying in nearby. I live in Saukapet.
Next person.
Well, ma'am, my name is Vandana. I have studied from nearby school and I'm from Sagavit. Good
Ma'am, my
morning, ma'am.
name
I
is
am
Shena
Uma.
and
Okay. Shenas first. Let her finish, ma. Uma.
ma'am, my name is Shena. I studied in Miyasi Matriculation Higher Secondary School from Annedi.
Yeah. Now, Uma, you can pick up, ma.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Uma and Sugni by class in Sokapet.
Okay. Next
Sugni
person,
by
Varsha.
school.
Varsha, you spoke.
Hi ma'am, I am Varsha. I am from Sugni Bay School, Sokarpet.
Okay. Ragavi.
Hi ma'am, I am Raghavi. I am studying in a Little
I'm
Oriental
Varsha.
Matriculation High Secondary School in Kartur, ma'am. I am coming from Kartur.
I'm studying Maria Matriculation High.
Yes, sir. Aisha. Aisha Siddiqua.
Secondary
Which
School.
school, ma?
Uh,
Okay, ma. Your audio is not correct.
from Rataram.
Your audio is not good. No problem. Okay, we will see to it.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. I am Urmila. I have studied in Sugni Bai and I belong to Chulai.
Okay. Who else has to complete? Asima, have you completed?
No, ma'am. Masima from St. Francis Xavier School from Broadway, ma'am.
Okay. Shakshi, have you completed?
Ma'am, I'm Sakshi. I'm studying Sugni Bay School and Saukapet living.
Okay. All of you have introduced yourself.
Good morning,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
My name is
Yes,
Supriya
ma'am.
Tavasum. I studied in Crescent Matriculation Higher
I'm
Secondary School.
I'm Asha Kritika. I'm studying in Maria Matriculation in Rataram.
Okay. Happy to see you
Hi,
all.
ma'am.
Anybody else? Yes, ma'am. Dimple, you can
Hi,
start.
ma'am. I'm Afsara. I'm from St. Francis Xavier Higher Secondary School from Broadway.
So nice
Okay.
of you all. Any students belongs to same school, two girls together or three girls together?
Yes, ma'am.
Which school?
Yes, ma'am.
Which
Sugni
school,
by
ma?
school.
Yes, ma'am.
St.
They
Francis
belong to
Ma'am,
Xavier Higher Secondary School.
சென்ட் பிரான்சிஸ்ல எத்தனை பேர் இருக்கீங்க?
Me and Apsara,
Afsara,
ma'am.
ஓகே ஓகே
Asima, Afsara.
ஓகே. Any other school? Two, three girls join together.
Sugni
Ma'am,
Bai.
Name
from
of
Ganeshi Bai, two girls.
Ganesh by two girls. Very good.
Ma'am,
Any
from
other
Sugni
people?
Bai.
Sugni by how
Sugni
many
Bai.
students are
Five
there?
girls.
Ma'am,
four
four girls.
girls.
4 girls.
6
Okay.
girls.
Good.
Good. So nice. So
Mia
hope you
also.
all have friends. So group of friends are there. After coming to college, you might be in a group, and you can mingle with others also, as you all in virtual. You all can have virtual classes here. After coming here to our college, you can enjoy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So thank you all girls. Wish you all success, and be alert and be cooperate with us, and kindly switch on your videos in classes too for the entire class, and audio if required. If you want to interact, you can switch on the audio and speak out. We are there to help you to develop your skills. Here only place you can make lot of mistakes, right? You should make lot of mistakes, so we are there to correct you. யூ ஷுட் டெவலப். தைரியமாக நீங்கள் பேச தான் உங்களை நீங்கள் கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்க முடியும். வெளியில் வேலைக்கு போயிட்டு தப்பு பண்ணி அங்கே பாஸ் கிட்ட திட்டு வாங்குறதுக்கு ஹியர் யூ கேன் ஸ்பீக் அவுட் அண்ட் வி ஆர் தேர் டு கரெக்ட் யூ. தப்போ ரைட்டோ பேசுங்க, சரியா?
Yes, ma'am.
ஓகே. Thank you all girls.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Stay back. I will have some information for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Girls, you can stay back.
Okay, ma'am.